Your works cited page gets it to be its own page, you guys. Up in the center, it says works because you have more than one. It's an S, and then it's cited, and that goes up in the center, okay? It's the same font and size as the rest of the paper, so don't go getting fancy on me. Just keep it the same font and size. You have two sources. Your first source, probably for most of you, if we're alphabetizing, is going to be Crane, all right? Now, I'm going to be teaching more about this, so right now you just have to get his name in there, okay? Then what you want to do is make sure you've got the open vote. Now, please look back because I've already given to you the full citation, okay? I have given you everything, just copy and paste it and get it in there. Make sure it's correct. Now, I can't remember whether it is one line or two, but something you need to know is if your source goes onto the second line, part of what I expect you to know from 102 is that you have to indent that second line 1/2 inch. It's called hanging indented. So you keep going with the rest of the source, okay, so that you've got it all there. And it should be because I believe I've got the URL that goes with it, so it should move to the second one. Make sure you include the URL in both your sources, you guys, and you do retrieved from, and then you do the URL, okay? And you've got it there. So you make sure you've got that one, then you go down and you do your next source. The only reason why the other source, your source would be before Stephen Crane is if it began with A or B, right? You alphabetize. So you're going to double space, hanging indented, have two sources with works cited up in the center. That's what I'm going to be grading when I go to grade your works cited page. It needs to have a page of its own. It might seem like overkill, but it is what's required, so you give it a page of its own at the very end.